Hello there, and welcome to another episode of On Target with Archer. I'm Leonard Chamberlin, here today to continue our series talking about the Midwest Reliability Organization's 2024 top risks. Let's get started. MRO recently identified uncertain energy availability as its number one risk, an extreme risk, in fact, to the reliability of the bulk power system. Uncertain energy availability is a result of the industry's transition from dispatchable energy resources that are available on demand, such as coal, natural gas, and nuclear, to variable resources that are weather dependent and not always available when needed, such as solar and wind. For variable resources, generation providers don't have the same capabilities to plan and generate energy in real time to meet demand in the same fashion that they do with dispatchable resources. This is not a commentary on green energy, it is simply a fact. As utilities continue to transition to net zero resources, uncertainty regarding the generation fleet's ability to meet energy demand abounds. Significant percentages of generation fleets are being scheduled for retirement within the next decade. Commissioners from the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission have testified before Congress that the country is heading for a very catastrophic situation in terms of reliability due to these unprecedented challenges. Regardless of plans to go green, generation owners must be prepared to manage retirements of dispatchable energy such that adequate amounts of replacement energy sources and infrastructure is in service ahead of the retirement of these resources. Operations and Planning, O&P, must adapt to account for energy availability risks at all times of the year. Absent these preparations, companies may find themselves in situations where sufficient generation or transmission capability is not available to meet demand, resulting in rolling blackouts. Archer has some of the best O&P personnel in the industry with decades of hands-on experience in both generation and transmission planning roles. Give Archer a call and let's talk about how we can help your company address these very real risks to the reliability of the grid. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another episode of On Target with Archer as we continue our MRO series.
Don't miss out on any of our insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed whenever we release new videos. For top-tier security solutions, Archer is your trusted partner. Explore our offerings at archerint.com and get in touch via email or phone to fortify your company's defenses. Your questions drive our content. Leave them in the comments below and join us every Monday for a fresh episode of On Target with Archer.